How's it going, everyone? This is Andy from PSR, and today we're going to be replacing the Sun Visor on the driver's side of my 2019 Honda Pilot. Here's the part number for everyone who is curious. And guys, here's the main reason why we're replacing it. So it's kind of hard to tell, but it is not sitting flush compared to the passenger side. And this is what it sounds like when you try moving it. As you can see, it's not the easiest thing. And believe it or not, this isn't even a bad case of this. I've seen them as low as like this, and you can't lift it up. Like, it's just so stuck and not fluid. For reference, here's how it's supposed to move. Alright guys, this is kind of a hard camera angle to film, but basically you have this little notch where the visor is, and you have that little gray hook thing, and basically while this is closed and latched, you want to put a flathead here, kind of push it in, and then open it 45 degrees, and it should come out. So let's see if we can get a good camera angle for you guys and get this thing out. Alright guys, you have this little gray tab right here. I hope it's still in focus. I've been having focus issues. But basically, push on it with the screwdriver, spin it a little bit. You should see the screwdriver move. That means you're doing good, because that little gray tab spins, and then you take it out. Carefully pull the harness through and disconnect it. And if you didn't get that, don't worry, I will show you how it works here shortly. So, how you get the new one in, you have this piece, connect the harness into it. This is responsible for the lights on there. Carefully put the harness back in there. There guys, and then once you get the harness in, you have a little hole on the skinny part of this teardrop where the stud goes into. Put it in there, move it left, move it right. You should hear some clicking, and there we go. It is in, it's not going to fall out, and it moves smoothly. Again, as you can see, it moves pretty smoothly. And that's it guys, pretty easy, not too terrible. You just need a screwdriver. But again, on this, you have a notch there, and as you can kind of see, if I can get it to focus, this side is raised up. So this is how it's in the car, right? This is how it is in the driver's side. So basically, while it's clipped in up here, you want it clipped in the little clip. You want to come on this side and push in the entire top gray notch, right? You want to take your screwdriver, lay on it like that, and push in. And then guys, while you're pushing in, push on the entire gray tab, like so. You're gonna want to turn it. See how it's loose now? You can see the little notch right here. That's what you're pushing in. And then when you're reinstalling it, on the skinny part of it, there's this little stud. Put it in there. It should be at about a 45-degree angle. When you twist it back in, this notch will click in place. Watch. See it? Because then, if that's in place, that'll move like this. If that little notch was not there, you wouldn't be able to do that without it falling out. And that's the whole reason it's there. It can be kind of a pain to get it to work, but for the most part, it is pretty easy. You only need a screwdriver, and that'll save you about half an hour of labor, which at most shops is approximately $100-ish at this time. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, on these Pilots, Ridgelines, Passports, I can't tell you how many times I've seen those stupid visors hanging down, and they're pretty easy to replace. They're not terrible, you just need one tool. And the knowledge of how to do it, which is probably the most important part of it, because if you don't know how to do it, it'd be really hard to figure out how to take it apart. I paid a little over $100 for it. I bet if you went to Honda's counter and bought a brand new, it'd probably be about 200-ish, somewhere around there. But again, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it solves your visor problem. If it does, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to drop a like if you like the video, and have a good day.